Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload PDF in Google Drive. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, got to open up your browser and then just type down drive.google.com. All right, again, drive.google.com, hit on enter. And if you're using a mobile device, just go ahead and download the application. And then once done, go ahead and find the new function. Right, now go ahead and click on File, Upload. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and navigate to the folder where the PDF is located. For example, this one. This one is a PDF. You can right click and click on Properties just to check it out. All right, PDF. Now, once you've located the PDF, you can now then go ahead and click on the PDF or click on to, just hold Control or CMD key on your computers. And then once that's done, click on Open, and it will then go ahead and start to upload. All right. Once it's uploaded, go back to the home section or to your drive, and you'll be able to see it right here. That's how simple it is to upload PDF in Google Drive. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.